Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing my new Powerbeat Pros, as well as giving you a little side-by-side comparison of them to my AirPods so you guys can see which one would work better for you and your lifestyle. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So I am so excited about my Powerbeat Pros, and they're kind of reflecting because they still have the plastic on them, but they are in cloud pink, which if you know me, you know pink's my favorite color, so this is absolutely amazing. And this is actually a gift for my boyfriend, so thank you for that. But I want to get opening them, so let's do it. So first, obviously, I have to get the plastic off, and now I can get into the box itself. So opening them up, and they come with this beautiful charging case, so I love that already because that is one of my favorite things about the AirPods, and now Beats has it for their headphones, which just makes them even better. And they are an absolutely beautiful pink because I got them in the blush pink color like I said, and I'm really excited about that. Okay, so now that the box is open, you can see them, and this little case is absolutely adorable. And I am thinking that they're going to be very similar to the AirPods on the way they charge, because this is a charging case. It has a little port in the back and you can fit them in right there, but it says not to take them out before I pair them, so I'm going to leave them in there for now. But also in the box, oh my gosh, there is a charger and the replacement and changeable squishy things you put in your ear. Maybe there's a formal name for them. I'm sorry guys, I really don't know what it is, but they have them, so that's awesome. But it appears that there is some power in there already, so I'm not going to do that quite yet. And they do match my phone quite perfectly, so love that. But I'm going to get them paired now. And actually I was going to screen record, but it already popped up on my phone, so I'm going to have to unlock to connect. And it is literally already connecting, and okay, they are literally already connected. Sorry, I have like so much on my screen right now. And it actually just told me that my Ember mug was set to my temperature, so if you didn't see that video, check it out because that is really a great piece of technology. But they are connected super easy, so I didn't even have to do anything to set them up. That is literally it. Open the box, literally touch your phone, and they will connect. So taking them out of the box, like you saw on that, it does tell you, just like the AirPods, the battery life that's left in the case as well as in the headphones. So if you're familiar with AirPods, it is exactly the same, and we love that. Honestly, that is a pro to AirPods, so I will start giving you a little side-by-side already, because my favorite thing about the AirPods is that they have the charging case, so I can use them and charge the case. So when I put them back in there, they don't need to like be connected to the charger, so they can charge like on my walk to class or my walk to a study or whatever I'm doing. So this is exactly the same. But when I put them in, so it is in my ear, and I heard it pair when I put it in, and like when I moved it away, I could hear it unpair. So there it is in my ear, and it is definitely a more secure fit than the AirPods right off the bat, because I know the biggest thing for me lifestyle wise with my AirPods versus the Powerbeats, I've had Beats that connected behind the back, so they weren't as wireless as the AirPods, but right off the bat I know I feel way more comfortable when I know my headphones are not going to fall out of my ear when I'm walking around using them, or on a workout, run, Peloton, anything. So I already know a plus for the Powerbeats. They are way more secure, and I can definitely do more with them in my ears. And I'm actually not going to open my AirPods at the same time because I do not know what that'll do to my phone. But I know when I like shake my head around, and I can show you after, my AirPods do not stay in as well. And I can tell also with the secure fit, like I can't really hear out of this ear. So I'm going to start playing something, and I know you guys can't hear it like what I'm hearing, and that sucks, and there's literally no way for me to show you the sound quality. But the one thing I know about AirPods is like when I'm on an airplane or I'm somewhere that's really loud, because they're not a secure snug fit, they don't really cancel out the outside world. So if you're someone with like kids or things you need to attend to, like you need to hear a phone ringing but you like to have headphones in, the AirPods I would say are better because they are not very noise canceling, whereas I would say the Powerbeats are extremely noise canceling. Like, I seriously can't hear anything out of this ear. If I had them both in, I would not even know what I was saying, and like, just can't. So that is definitely a comparison depending on the life you're living and what you're trying to do with them. And they're just super cute, so that is also a plus. And the sound quality is much better in the Powerbeats. Just from playing a little piece of one song, I can already tell you that. So what I didn't like about my old Beats is it was very difficult for them to pair, so I'd have to like get all set up before I went for a run and like make sure it's connected to my phone, make sure it was gonna play, make sure if someone called me it would go through my headphones, all of that nonsense. And that is something that I really loved about the AirPods. I could take them anywhere, I could throw them in my ears, they would turn on and I could keep moving just as normal. But now the Powerbeats are caught up to the AirPods and Apple on that side of things, so there's really no way to say that one is easier than the other to use because they both charge the same exact way with their charger case. You know, I just can't really differentiate anything there. So my biggest thing would be these are going to be much more useful for the person that's on the go, on the move. So the ear hook might not be as comfortable to some as it is to others, but it is more assuring that you are not going to lose them. And they are custom fit because, like I said, they do come with those interchangeable pieces, so it does fit your ear. Where I think AirPods, they either work for you or they don't, because I know my brother would say that he can go anywhere with the AirPods and he doesn't even think about that they're in. They don't bother him, they don't feel like they're gonna fall out ever. But I have had the exact opposite experience with AirPods. Okay, so this is not my information. I just looked this up because I wanted to share it with you guys and I wasn't sure, obviously, because I've just never tested it out. But with fully charged AirPods, you can get around 4 hours, and that might be even shorter using an Android, which I did not even know you could use Apple AirPods with an Android. Should have assumed that they would make that compatibility, but that is what it looks like. But for Powerbeats, they last up to 10 hours, and that looks to be true across both Apple and Android devices. So again, that is just something that's amazing about the Powerbeats if you're going to be using them for extended periods of time, or you're someone like me that just forgets to plug them in all the time. That is a major bonus of the Powerbeats over the AirPods. So with all those things being said, I personally love Powerbeats. Nothing against Apple because the entire rest of my life is Apple, so it's very weird for me to go against their product, but I just think the Powerbeats are going to be my go-to headphone for now on. I've loved my time with the AirPods. It's been pretty good, pretty consistent, besides the whole fitness aspect. Like I said, I never wear them to work out because of the fear of losing them, whereas the Powerbeats, I will not have that problem, and I will have the same compatibility and connection. Battery life is better. So many bonuses of the Powerbeats. So definitely, if you live a lifestyle like me and have had issues with the AirPods or have never tried them and you're going for your first headphone, I would say the Powerbeats are the ones for you. I'm not going to say either of them are bad headphones. Obviously, Apple makes amazing products. We all know that. But in this case scenario, the sound quality is just louder and better in the Powerbeats Pro if you're just going for that anyways. So, I mean, there's so many reasons people buy headphones, and all around, I would just go with the Powerbeats Pros. So, like I said, I am trying to share with you my favorite and new technology that will make your life easier, more productive. And for me, these are really going to help me out because I know I love to get ready while I listen to my lectures or just a video that teaches me more about what I'm learning in class. So that's a great use for them, as well as I know, like when I'm running around doing my laundry in my house at school, they have a great range, so I'll be able to leave my phone and run up and down the stairs to do those things without having to drop my call or lose connection to people. And I know a lot of people are on business calls, so you'll have a great headphone if you want to listen to something in public or whatever you're doing. So they're just really awesome for whatever your life may hold. Honestly, it's a perfect product for multitasking, and that's the easiest way to put them. So that is it for this unboxing and review of the Powerbeats Pros. and a side-by-side comparison of them to the Apple AirPods. I hope it was helpful, and I hope now you can make your decision on what headphones are best for your lifestyle, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.